no doubt about that we need to reduce our emissions of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. So what we need to do even more in the future is to adapt to a changing climate system. Therefore, technology is a huge important thing, a tool when we move into the future.
It ended out quite well, so we believe that the NEPTUN project has been quite a success. So if we work together with people from northern Germany, they maybe need more technology transfer from Denmark, but we also see that in some aspects they can learn us something.
Here we saw that the collaboration with Denmark was really good because we had only a few examples, for example for Sponge City in Germany, and that's why we are really happy to have the connection to Denmark. Yeah.
But overall we are addressing some very important issue about water and the challenges that are there in the project. So in that sense I think it's a very successful project.
It has been technologically a success because we actually managed to make a completely new product. It's about finding misconnected sewage systems. So I would say this has really helped us to get to the bottom of it and get to a conclusion.
We did a prototype for an early flood warning system in the city of Flensburg, and this project was going to help them to get a tool so they would be able to prevent flooding, hopefully. We would not have been able to make this project if it hadn't been for all the project partners.
We can really enlarge our network and come in contact with companies and municipalities, and this was really a very fruitful collaboration.